What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to say white Bordeaux wine in French. So a white wine coming from the region of Bordeaux. Some of the best white Bordeaux wines are produced, well, there's different areas, but mainly in the Entre-deux-Mers, which is on the right bank. And you'll also find some fantastic barrel fermented, very often, white wines in the Grave, in particular around the Pessac-Léognan. So that's the north of the Grave and that's the south of the city of Bordeaux. On the left bank, obviously, some of the top white wines are made in Pessac-Léognan, such as La Mission Aubryon, Chateau Aubryon, Chateau Smith-Lafitte, and many others, Chateau La Louvière as well. So how do you go about pronouncing a white Bordeaux in French? Well, white in French translates into blanc. Yes, in French, the C at the end of blanc is silent. So say Bordeaux Blanc. Bordeaux Blanc. Normally, you wouldn't normally say Bordeaux Blanc, but rather Bordeaux Blanc. Bordeaux Blanc. Bordeaux Blanc. Un vin de Bordeaux Blanc. A white wine from Bordeaux. Bordeaux Blanc. I hope this video was useful. If you want to learn more about Bordeaux Blanc and how it ages, especially below screw cap versus cork, I made a fantastic video. I think it's quite nice, or very interesting at least, comparing Bordeaux Blanc, aged Bordeaux Blanc. Those wines age superbly well, especially under screw cap. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.